Welcome back to EDU in 90 and to our final episode of 2023. Joanne here, and on this episode, we'll share some of our favorite product updates from the past year. Let's get into it. Starting at the beginning of 2023, we announced that reaction emojis would be available in Google Meet, allowing for in-meeting reactions that wouldn't interrupt the speaker. Gmail also saw improvements, with teachers being able to reply to classroom notifications directly from their email, rather than having to open Classroom each time. And Screencast Web Player went live, with students and teachers able to share recordings to anyone using the web player, with built-in text-to-speech transcription of lesson transcripts into select languages. We also focused on reading tools in Chrome browser, with reading mode to help users get a resizable and customizable reader view in the side panel of the Chrome browser. And with optical character recognition, or OCR, now you can get extra support with PDF or photo files by converting its words to live text so that you can use a screen reader on previously unreadable PDFs. Our next set of product updates kicked off with the launch of Practice Sets, a feature in Google Classroom that allows educators to transform new and existing content into engaging and interactive assignments, with auto-grading built in. Google Slides wasn't left out either, with co-presenting now available, allowing 2 or more people to manage slides together, including advancing slides and playing videos for a smoother presentation. Grading also saw improvements in Classroom, with educators now having more options to customize class and assignment settings, making planning, organizing, and grading simpler. And to wrap things up for this episode, we announced the Google for Education App Hub, allowing educators and admins to discover every app that connects with Google for Education products, all in one place. On the Google for Education App Hub, you'll find the latest and most useful education app integrations, including add-ons, SSO integrations, and app licensing. For more information on the App Hub or any of the product features we talked about today, check out the video description. We'll see you next year. Check out our last episode to hear about resources for getting started on paid Google Workspace for Education editions.